Hi, God the Most High commands me to tell you to read Revelation chapter 7, verse 3. Do not damage the land or the sea or the trees until we put the seal on the foreheads of the servants of our God. Revelation chapter 9, verse 4. They were told not to harm the grass of the earth or any plant or any tree, but only those people who did not have the seal of God on their foreheads. Ezekiel chapter 9, verse 6. Old men, youths, and maidens, women and children, wipe them out, but do not touch any mark with the X. Begin at my sanctuary. So they began with the men, the elders, who were in front of the temple. The word of the Lord, thanks be to God.